We're Maggie and Brad, and we've been full-time RVing since 2016. Join us and our sidekick Paco as we explore incredible places in the US and beyond.
Hey guys. Hey. So we have actually spent the last few weeks in our old stomping grounds around Eugene, Oregon. We did not really film there except for our little journey down the Willamette River, which was super fun.
Here we go! Woo! Yeah!
But now we are back on the road and excited to be on the move again.
Yeah, we've come over to the small town of Waldport, Oregon on the coast here. We're staying at McKinley Marina RV Park. They have a full hookup section and a dry camp section, and we're staying in the dry camping, saving a few bucks, and the weather is really nice here, so we're quite comfortable.
Very mild. We stayed here a few years ago, and at that time, all the dry camping sites were waterfront. They have since expanded, and so I didn't realize there was an option for us not to be waterfront here. You can book online and there's a comment section, so you can maybe ask for it there that you'd like a waterfront site. And they don't guarantee sites, they kind of assign them when you get here, but they'll take that into consideration at least.
In the dry camping area, the waterfront sites are 1 through 28, I think.
Yeah, I think so. At least 1 through 22. Those are safe for sure. So we're super excited to be back here, and today we're going to get out on the e-bikes and head down to the beautiful town of Yachats just to the south.
Just 9 miles away. The highway has really wide shoulders, really comfortable and straight, so you've got good visibility.
Yeah, no real curves like you see on a lot of the 101, so it should be a very safe route. It's been a great ride so far. Pretty easy going, and
Yeah, just straight. A little up and down. Really glad to have the e-bike for those ups.
super fun.
This place is oozing with charm.
A little cocoa on this cool day.
Yeah, real nice homemade hot chocolate here. They got their own syrup recipe.
We're just kind of splitting everything. We got the seafood lasagna, which has all kinds of good stuff in it. I don't even know.
Salad with a blue cheese dressing.
And some crab cakes. And then we also had the clam chowder. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Oh my god, everything is seriously so delicious.
We splurged. Got a warm brownie sundae.
Oh yeah.
Really excited.
Homemade ice cream or homemade whip or I don't know. Yeah, buddy. They have totally built out this patio since the last time we were here. It is gorgeous. I'm definitely sitting out here next time. That metal sculpture down there is a whale's tail. Isn't that cute?
So another YouTuber, Grand Adventure, posted that they had some loose wiring that nearly caused a fire in their electrical compartment. And so we took that as a reminder that we should check our own. So we got into our electrical connections. Oh, and also we made sure to turn off our battery disconnect before doing this. We're out dry camping, so there's no 120 volt, there's no 12 volt. There was no loose wiring. Everything is very tight, but there are some pretty messy connections on the 12 volts, like wires sticking out. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean those up. It just looks like a rat's nest down here. See all these wires sticking out? Why were they so sloppy? These connections aren't that hard to make clean, this type of connection, because what you can do is just like wrap it around the screw, and you want to make sure to wrap it clockwise, because then tightening the screw will tighten the wrap instead of unwrapping it. So now I can just put it over there and screw it in.
Nice.
Hopefully.
Well, I mean, you need some threads left.
Yeah, that's the challenge. Because this is pretty thick, pretty thick gauge wire. So, all right, probably best not to watch this part.
Got it all done?
Not a single stray wire out of place at this point. Very well done.
So this has been a really short stay for us. We will link a video at the end of this one to our last stay here, which shows you a little bit more to do in Waldport proper.
Yesterday we got some projects done, and then we just went and chilled out at the beach at Seal Rock State Recreation Area.
Yeah, it's just about a 5-minute drive north of here, and we probably easily could have biked, but we wanted to bring Paco. Of it, but we bought a truck camper shell.
There was quite a bit of work to do to get that ready to use, putting new seals on and whatnot. So I didn't get around to doing the wiring just yet. So I did that yesterday.
Yeah, just to wire in the back tail light on it.
Yeah, there is a third, what they call a third brake light, I think, up at the top there, and that requires a connection to the truck. Thankfully, the Ram engineers were very smart, and they included a little wire that is just plugged at the end right near the spare tire that's just made for this purpose. So I was able to just cut the end off of that and hook it up to my brake light, and it works great.
Now we can store both of our bikes under cover. They're protected from the elements. They're not attractive to would-be thieves, and it just gives Brad a bit more of a garage space.
Yeah.